What's up, guys? Welcome back to Diesel Creek. If this is your first time joining us, my name's Matt. We are on a dirt job today. Got the skid steer there. Today's agenda, these people had this pool area dug out. I did not do that digging because I wouldn't have done it like this. This is a cluster the way they did it, and they weren't happy either. So now they need that pile of dirt moved from there clear up to them pine trees. And the easiest way to go about it is just to shuttle it all day through the fence. So it's gonna be a while. All right, well, I guess that about wraps up this job. This is all that fill material I put in here, and it was pretty wet and spongy, so I had to really track it in good and go over it several times. But I'm happy with the way it turned out. It looks good. Normally I would seed and straw everything now that I'm done, but I think these guys are going to have me come back and put fresh screen topsoil in and some good grass seed and all that after the pool is completely done. Anyways, guys, I think that's another one done and in the books. Probably a shorter video here, but if you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Later. Check this out, guys. I got my place wired for sound now. So one of the perks of being a YouTuber is I get all these companies that reach out to me all the time and, you know, want me to try their products or whatever. And like a good 90% of them I turn down. You know, they want you to do sponsorships and all this crap. But I was actually looking for some security cameras, and this Rio Link reached out to me and they wanted to send me out a system. So I said, send it on. And yeah, it actually is a pretty cool system, guys. It was one wire, pretty easy to run all the cameras. They're super clear. I mean, look at this. You can see the garden out front there we just tilled. I need to paint the porch. It's looking pretty rough, doesn't it? But yeah, so I can keep an eye on my stuff a lot better now. I'm not at home a whole lot, so I really like the idea of being able to see what's going on, because you can even pull up the app on your phone and see what's going on. And this has the base station I just showed you here. It's got a big hard drive in there that backs up all your files, or you can set your cameras to even be like motion activated and stuff. So it was pretty slick. I'm real happy with this thing. So this is an honest product review, because I was skeptical, to say the least. But yeah, pretty happy so far. Real easy. I had one bad cable. All it is like a network cable that runs up to your boxes. As you can see, I still have cable management left to do here. I just got it all hooked up, but I had one bad cable. I had to swap one out with one I had laying around here, but they're just a regular old network cable, so that wasn't a big deal. But yeah, I'll put a link down in the description if you guys are interested in that. I think it's worth checking out if you're in the market.